In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add trusted connections here on Roblox and fix any common issues that people have been running into. But before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now first, both you and the person that you are wanting to add do need to have verified Roblox accounts. In order to do this, you have to meet the age requirements set by Roblox and complete an account verification by either verifying your email or your password. You can do this by going to this more section right here, and then from here go ahead and navigate to the settings and go up to account info, and in this section just go ahead and make sure that your phone number and email are verified. The age group is just 13 plus, so keep that in mind. As soon as you do that, and if either account isn't verified, your trusted connections may not work, so just keep that in mind. But from here, you also need to make sure that you are using the Roblox app. Once you're in the Roblox app itself, click on your profile icon and then click on this little QR code icon right here. And essentially just have the other person scan your QR code using the Roblox app. From here, they can either scan it directly from the screen, you can screenshot it or send it to them, or just have them show you their QR code instead. But once one of you guys scans the code and accepts the connection request, you're going to become a trusted connection. If you're still having issues, double check that both of your accounts are verified, make sure you're using a Roblox app, not a browser, and update the app to the latest version, as well as try logging out and back in if needed. But that is it. You should now be able to successfully add trusted connections here on Roblox. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.